that? So it's raining today, so we assumed the bees were just chilling inside. Whenever we opened the lid, we didn't see any on top eating their sugar snack that Pawpaw put out for them. So now we're trying to find these bees.
There you go.
Ooh, wow.
Now see? That's capped honey right there. And they just drawing that out there. They hadn't put anything in it yet. But that's the cells. But now you keep looking, that's a regular cell. You keep looking, sometimes you'll find a big one. About yay big. That's a queen cell. And when you find those queen cells...
How often do you find those? Not very often.
Well, it depends on the weather and whether they're going to swarm or not.
Where are they right now?
They down in there, I hope. I have never seen it like this.
Wouldn't they be out looking to see what you're doing, or they don't do that?
I don't understand this, Allie. I don't understand this.
I don't see anybody.
That scares me. That really does. I don't see any bees at all. And that ain't good.
We got a lot of honey down here, though.
Yeah.
Wow. Starting to sprinkle.
Oh, there you
go. Okay, they're just...
Okay. They down in there. It's cold.
Okay.
I'll get it back on before they lose all their heat. What it is, they done got cold, and they all down in there where that queen is, keeping it heat.
This is the sugar that Pawpaw puts out for them. Their little snack.
Anyway, that's a regular cell.
Thanks for watching Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug. Please subscribe and turn on notifications.